I bet you didn't know these stocks are trading at huge discounts. Ready to invest smart? First up, Zimmer Biomet, a leader in joint reconstruction, is at a 39% discount. Then we have Nike, the athletic giant, down 35%. Polaris, known for power sports, is 30% off. Pfizer, the pharma powerhouse, trades 29% below its value. British American Tobacco? It's 24% off. Bristol Myers Squibb sits at a 21% discount. Campbell Soup is 16% below its worth. US Bancorp, a top regional bank, is at a 15% discount. Gilead Sciences, the healthcare giant, is 14% under its value. And finally, UPS, the delivery leader, is 13% off. Keep these stocks on your radar for long-term gains.